What is up, guys, and welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Steven Womack, and today we want to take a look at this picture right here, this Justin and Hailey Bieber picture. Justin posted it on his Instagram account, and you've been asking how to recreate this look, and I will show you how to do it with your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only today. And I've also created a preset on exactly this look to save you some time. You can just easily download it from my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 170 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And once you have this all presets pack, every new preset that I'm gonna create on this channel is automatically gonna be updated. So you just have to buy it once and you get new presets every week. It's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any future videos. And of course, if you have any questions at all, always feel free to DM me on Instagram at Steven Womack is my handle. Now, I've said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we wanna do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open the app and we have this picture right here. Now, don't judge me for this. This was me in the summer, just in front of a white wall. So I thought the lighting comes kind of close to that Justin and Hailey Bieber situation. So the first thing you do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side. And I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So maybe take a screenshot and then just really carefully recreate this curve as it is right here. Once you have this, we are done. Then we want to pull down the exposure a little bit to negative 0.34. Then we want to boost up the shadows here all the way to plus 32. Then we want to pull down the whites to negative 44 and pull down the blacks as well to negative 32 right here. We go over to color. What you want to do is boost up the temperature a little bit to around plus 9 right there. Boost up the tint as well to plus 8. And then pull down the saturation just a little bit to negative 8. We scroll up, hit the mix on the upper right side. For the red tones, we want to pull down the hue to negative 17. We want to boost up the saturation a little bit to plus 18 or 19 and boost up the luminance to plus 12 or 13. This is mostly gonna affect the skin tones, orange as well. Boost up the hue a little bit to plus 3 and the saturation all the way up to plus 11, and then we are done here. Now we go to the gradings tab, and for the shadows here, you want to pull the hue to 230 and the saturation to around 30 in this case. Then the midtones, we're not going to change anything, but for the highlights, again, the hue up to 121. This is going to affect the background a lot, that green area, and then the saturation up to around 15 or 16 to give it that really smooth tint. Then we're done here. Last thing is the effects tab. What you want to do is pull down the clarity a little bit to negative 15. Pull down the vignette here to create a little dark circle around the image to around negative 27 here. And then the last thing is the grain. We want to boost that up all the way to around 81. Justin does this a lot in his pictures lately. And then we're done. And this is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, just a quick tutorial, and I think we came super close to this Justin and Hailey Bieber inspired pictures. We got the colors, the grain, the saturation, and also the contrast. Once again, let me tell you, I've created a preset to save you some time. It's linked under this video, and it's in the all presets pack on my website. Make sure to check that out. And of course, if there's anything you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. At Steven Womack is my handle. Now, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.